In this video, we are going to learn how to use Instagram's Reveal sticker. Are you want to add some mystery to your Instagram stories? With the new Reveal sticker, you can post hidden stories that only your friends can unlock by sending you a message. Here's how to do it. First things first, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and update it if update is available. Then open Instagram and go to the camera. Pick a photo you want to use. Tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Look for the Reveal sticker. It's the one with an eye and a line through it. If you can't find it, you can use VPN. Tap on Reveal sticker to apply it to your photo. You can even add a message if you want. Post the story to your profile. And now when your friends see your story, it'll be blurred. To reveal the hidden content, they need to send you a message. Once they do, the story will automatically be revealed to them. And that's it. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.